XAUUSD price prediction for tomorrow, June 18. Please watch this video until end.
As of June 17th, 2025, XAUUSD gold is experiencing some fluctuation, but the overall sentiment for the very short term, intraday for June 18th, 2025, appears to be leaning towards bullish momentum with potential for some consolidation or minor pullbacks that could be seen as buying opportunities. Here's a breakdown of the key factors influencing the XAUUSD intraday forecast. Current market sentiment and key drivers. Geopolitical tensions. The ongoing Iran-Israel conflict continues to provide safe haven demand for gold, which acts as a strong underlying support. Any escalation could further drive prices up. US dollar weakness. The expectation of further interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve in 2025 is keeping the US dollar suppressed, making gold more attractive for international buyers. Upcoming FOMC meeting, June 18th. Traders are keenly awaiting the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decision. While rate cuts are anticipated, the specifics of the Fed's path will heavily influence gold's direction. Inflation concerns. Gold is seen as a hedge against inflation, and persistent inflation concerns could continue to support its price. Technical analysis and key levels for June 18th. Short-term uptrend. XAUUSD is generally trading within an ascending channel, indicating a well-established short-term uptrend. Support levels. $3,376 to $3,380 approx. This area has been identified as a strong support zone, and dip buying around these levels is expected. $3,340 to $3,335. This represents the lower boundary of the ascending trend channel and a significant support area. A break below this could signal a shift in bias. $3,318.54, $3,300.34, and $3,295.35. Further support levels. Resistance levels. $3,400. This round figure has emerged as an immediate hurdle. $3,434 to $3,435. If $3,400 is breached, gold could aim for this region. $3,450 to $3,451. Yesterday's high and a key resistance point. $3,500, the all-time peak, which could be challenged if bullish momentum persists. Indicators. RSI, around 44.71, indicating a neutral market, suggesting room for movement in either direction. ADX, at 42.77, suggesting a strong trend. ATR 8.90, showing increasing volatility. Parabolic SR indicates upward momentum. Moving averages. While some short-term MAs might show sell signals after recent pullbacks, longer-term MAs, like MA50 and MA100, are generally showing buy signals. Intraday forecast for June 18th, 2025. Bullish bias with caution. The overall sentiment remains bullish, supported by geopolitical factors and a weaker USD. However, given the proximity of the FOMC meeting, traders might exercise caution, leading to potential consolidation or mild pullbacks. Dip buying opportunities. Any corrective slides towards the identified support levels, especially 3,376 minus 3,380 or 3,340 minus 3,335, are likely to be seen as buying opportunities. Potential for upside. If gold can convincingly break above $3,400, it could aim for 3,434 minus 3,435 and potentially retest yesterday's high of $3,451. A sustained move above $3,450 could open the path towards $3,500. Downside risk. A clear break and close below the 3,340 minus 3,335 support area would negate the near-term bullish outlook and could lead to deeper losses towards $3,300. In summary, for very short-term intraday trading on June 18th, XAUUSD is likely to remain sensitive to geopolitical headlines and the upcoming FOMC decision. While the underlying trend appears bullish, Be prepared for volatility and consider long positions on pullbacks to key support levels, with targets towards the immediate resistance zones. Always remember that this is a forecast based on current information, and market conditions can change rapidly. It's crucial to conduct your own analysis and manage your risk accordingly.
This forecast for tomorrow, June 18. Thanks for watching.